never noticed was mine, while everybody else around us is going about, and we just stand and talk a while. I've been knocked and told I was growing old, and that things are harder to find. You tell me more about yourself, we could share a thought or two now, who wouldn't mind?
Maybe we could go for a ride, drive down to the countryside, get away from the gay and frenzy, the hurly-burly of the city life.
Nang iniwan, takbo ng buhay ko ay di na naging iba at nagbago. At ang laging nasa isipan ko ay yung pagbabalik sa buhay ko. Hindi alam at naisip kong mali ako, pinilit kong malimot ko. Hapon ay dapat lamang kalilipasin ko. Bukas ay para sa akin, buhay ay dapat huwag nagsayangin sa ihip ng hangin. Ang bang pagmamahal na pinalay ko sa iyo, di kayang tumpasan, magpahanggang kailan. Tanging hiling sa'yo, mahal, ako'y ibigin mo. Maniwala ka sana sa pag-ibig